Conversation questions. Which animal is the king of the forest?
Lion.
Which is the national animal?
Elephant.
Which is the national animal?
Tiger.
Which is the biggest land animal?
Elephant.
Which animal gives us milk?
Cow and goat.
Name the bird that can dance.
Peacock.
Name the bird that can talk.
Parrot.
Which insect makes honey?
Honeybee.
Which insect causes malaria?
Butterfly.
Which insect causes malaria? Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which vegetable tastes bitter?
Bitter gourd.
Which vegetable tastes hot?
Chili.
Good. Chess coins. Show me queen,
Queen.
knight,
Knight.
pawn,
Pawn.
bishop,
Bishop.
rook.
Rook.
Good. Okay. Indoor games. Show me snake and ladder.
Shakalada.
Good. Ludo.
Luro.
Chess.
Chess.
Good. Our nationality. What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national game?
Hockey.
What is our national tree?
Banana.
What is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
What is our national vegetable?
Pumpkin.
What is our national anthem?
Janakanamana.
Good. Clean habits.
Brush your teeth every day. Have a bath every day. Cut your nails and clean there. Comb your hair and clean cars.
Good. 10 capitals. Goa,
Panaji.
Gujarat,
Ganinahar.
Assam,
Disput.
Kerala,
Tiruvananthapuram.
Himachal Pradesh,
Shillong.
Karnataka,
Bangalore.
Madhya Pradesh,
Impal.
Telangana.
Hyderabad.
Good.